Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from Panther, and today I'm going to show you how to create this vortex in Illustrator. Okay, first step, go to the fill, click on the fill here, and click on the none. Click on the stroke, select the black color, and go to where's the rectangle tool? Usually this is the default, and select the ellipse tool. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a circle, a big one. And from here, I'm gonna press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F. This way is gonna create another copy on top of the circle, or you can go to Edit and paste in front. Does the same job. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale the circle down. Select the small circle, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F again. Press and hold Shift, scale the circle upwards until it snaps the anchor point with the bigger circle, with the biggest circle. Again, select the small circle, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, press and hold Shift, scale it this time this way, and make it snap. I'm gonna press Ctrl Y, zoom it in to see if they snap perfectly. Everything is clean. Ctrl Y, and now I'm gonna select these both circles, the middle, and press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Press and hold Shift to rotate it once and twice. So the structure gonna need to look something like this. Okay, so from here we're gonna need to select some circles. I'm gonna select this circle here, press and hold Shift, select this circle, the small circle, and the biggest circle. And I'm gonna create a new copy so you can see, so it can be more simple for you to view it. I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it out, press Shift, and these are the circles that we need to go with. Select them all, press Shift plus M, or you can go to the menu and select the Shape Builder tool and just draw like this. So basically you need to select these. From here I'm gonna select this one, so the shape needs to look something like this. I'm gonna delete the rest. From here I'm gonna go to the stroke. Actually this is the arrow I'm looking for, swap fill and stroke. So now it's gonna be on the fill, and make sure the fill here is on the top, is black. And go to the gradient, select the gradient, press G, and I'm gonna arrange it better, something like this. From here I'm gonna go to the effects, distort and transform. I'm gonna go with 3 copies. The angle is gonna be 90 degrees, and the horizontal somewhere around 80, I think, and the vertical. Okay, so in this size, the horizontal for me is 65 and the vertical is 22, but for every dimension is different. And this is how you make this vortex. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos. Have a good one. Bye bye.